So friends, what if I tell you that you can arrange and organize your YouTube videos into different sets or collections? You can manage those collections by adding or removing any of the videos. Moreover, if you play any one video of that collection, rest all the videos are played automatically. How cool is that? Yes, this is very much possible by creating a YouTube playlist. Hello friends, my name is Ankur and you are watching Trio Techies. In today's video, I am going to tell you how can you create YouTube playlist. So, in order to create your YouTube playlist, you need to open your YouTube app. Once you do that, if you see towards the bottom right side, there is an option for library. Click on library. Once you do that, the first section you will find here is for history and the second section is for playlist. On this playlist section, just scroll towards the right side and you will see a plus sign where it's written as new playlist. This is from where you can create a new playlist for your YouTube videos. Okay, just click on this plus sign. Once you do that, you will find certain recommended videos which you can add to your playlist. If you do not want any of these videos to add to your playlist, just click on next. Once you do that, it will ask you to give a name to your playlist. Here I am giving it a name as Test for Trio Techies. Alright. After giving name, you will see you can decide privacy for your playlist. If you click on this drop down here, you will see there are three options. The first option is public, which means anyone can search for your playlist and view it. The second one is unlisted, which means anyone who has the link for this particular playlist, they can view it. Okay. The last option is private, which means only you can view and see and edit your playlist. Okay. If you're creating this, my recommendation would be, if you're creating this playlist only for yourself, then select private. After doing that, click on create and your playlist will be created. Now let me show you here. Do you see? Here you go. It says Test for Trio Techies and it has been created, updated today. Okay, but if you see here, the number of videos is showing as 0, which means I have not added any video to this particular playlist as of now. Now, in order to add any video to your playlist, what you need to do is, let's say if you're watching YouTube and you want this particular video, which is 108 times Om chanting. If you want this particular video to be added to your playlist, you need to click on these three dots. Okay, once you do that, you will see an option, the second option, which says save to playlist. Once you click on this save to playlist, all the playlists which are there in your YouTube will show up here. Okay, you simply have to check the box where you want to save this video. Once you do that, click on done and your video has been saved to your playlist. Now, do you want to see if the video has actually been saved in the playlist? Let me show you. Just go to the library again, check your video. It is showing 0. Let me refresh it. And you see this video has been added to my playlist here. So this is how you can add multiple videos to this playlist. Okay, there is an option to play all. Once you click on play all your videos in this particular playlist will be played automatically. Alright, now let's say if you want to remove any particular video from this playlist, that is also possible. You can manage your playlist as you want to. Okay, so the video which I have added, I'm just going to remove the same video just to show you how to remove it. Okay, so here in your playlist, you need to click on that particular video, the three dots which you see towards the right side of the video, you need to click on that. Once you do that, it will give you an option. The third option, if you see, it says remove from Test for Trio Techies. As soon as you click on here, your video will be removed from the playlist. Okay, now let's say if you want to delete the entire playlist, then that is also possible. How to do that? Just go to your library, select the playlist which you want to delete. Towards the top right corner, just click on these three dots and click on delete playlist and confirm deletion. Once you do that, your playlist will be deleted from your YouTube. Alright, so friends, this is how you can create your playlist. You can add videos, remove videos, you can play all the videos at one time. You do not have to bother to select and play videos manually. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.